Hello everybody, my name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale. I have not filmed the video in a while. My household has been sick for the past 3 days with the flu. I have not gotten it yet, thank God. But I am pulling my shipping this morning and filming a few videos today before my body decides that it wants to throw up everywhere. So, a couple of days ago, actually, was it last week? Yeah. Last week, I went to an estate sale that was only 10 minutes away from my house. I still have not figured out my GoPro yet, so I was going to strap it on and take you with me, but I don't think, yeah. Obviously, I didn't do that, so let's get started. Most of all the clothes that I got are actually going to go to my local Style Encore, just so I can get some fast money. All of this stuff was super cheap. They had fill a bag of clothes for $5. So that was a super good deal and will leave a lot of room for profit for me to just take it to the buy sell trade store and not even worry about it. And yeah, let's get into it. So the first, I'm just going to go through the things that are like not in sacks anymore. I had never seen this Crayola little sweater bear. It has the tags on it still. This was also in the fill a bag for $5, so I think I got like 4 plush for $5. So that was a great deal, and I'm sure this will sell for $15 plus shipping. I just throw it on the floor. Okay, the next item that this one I'm actually keeping. This is just an Old Navy active jumpsuit. Yeah, I am keeping that for myself because I live in stuff like that. This is a Columbia jacket. This was only $7.50, and this needs washed. I just realized the lighting was not very good in there, and it does have some staining, so that is going to go in the wash pile. This next one is a St. John's Bay, just a little plaid shirt. That is going to go to Style Encore. Basically, I just grabbed everything that I thought I could either sell to Style Encore or sell myself. Like I got this Rascal Flatts t-shirt that came from a concert. And it's in beautiful condition. Like it doesn't even look like this was washed. So that was great. Oh, I got this vintage, the Disney catalog Christmas sweatshirt. Very cute. It says lighten up, it's Christmas. That's cute. And it is a size extra large, made in the USA. It's got Goofy on there. One of my favorite Disney movies is the Goofy movie. That was like my jam when I was little. This is Lincoln Outfitters. And I just thought these were some cute little modest style shorts. So those will be going to Style Encore. They're always looking for stuff like that. And all of this was like size large and size 12. So perfect sizing to take there. This is just an Iowa State sweatshirt. It is Independent Trading Co., which is actually one of the more expensive like brands. This probably was at Scheels for like $55. So I can probably sell this on Facebook Marketplace for like 15 to 20. Let's see. I got a ton of jeans, and I'm sorry, the lighting is just horrid for this video. This is just Anna, A New Approach. These are probably from Kohl's, but the style is like a vintage like flare. So that is a great style. And I'm sure Style Encore would be happy to take those. And I did find some activewear as well. So this is just Gaiam. It's that yoga brand. I actually really like this brand for myself. But these are like the flared leggings. I could never find them long enough for me. So this is just Athletic Works. Just these brands are just things that are like the bread and butter for the buy sell trade stores. So this is Excursion, size large, boot cut, yoga pants. All of these were in like very good condition too. So that's another reason why I picked them up. This is another Gaiam. These are really cute though. but I do like my solids a lot better than I like my patterned leggings, so I will take those. Another pair of the Gaiam flared leggings. Another pair of just RBX leggings. These are probably from Walmart. Avia. These are definitely from Walmart. Ooh, I had a sale. Something sold for 30 bucks on eBay. Yay, yay! These I'm probably going to sell myself. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of these Nike capri jogger pants, and I think they're all in a size large or extra large. Yeah, these are all a size large, so I'm probably gonna lot these up and sell them myself because those will bring probably 30 bucks. This brand is just a boutique brand. It's Easel, but I'm sure the buy sell trade will probably take those. They're like a mineral wash, very in. This is not like the most exciting haul, I know, but this is all just stuff that the buy sell trade will take, and it was super cheap. So this is just St. John's Bay little capris in a size 10 or 12. This is 9 West jeans. Shorts or capri pants, I'm not sure. I also did get this entire bag is full of Warner's bras in the exact same size. I'm thinking there's like 20 to 25 bras in here, so I'm gonna separate them into different lots. Probably lots of like 3 to 5 and sell them for like, I don't know, 20 bucks a lot. That is gonna be a great return. So I won't even bother showing you guys those. This is True Craft. I don't know where they sell this. I'm assuming Kohl's or something, but they are a flare leg pair of jeans. So Style Encore will take those. These are Apartment 9, size 12. Skinny jeans that have like the elastic waist. Great condition. These are the exact same pair of jeans. And oh, this is another pair of those Nike capri pants, so I can put that in the same lot. This is a Champion. It's a Champion sweatshirt. It's one of the newer ones, and it's just a size extra large, so that's probably 15 to 20 plus shipping. This is a Maurice's size XXL. Very cute little tie-dye pullover. I'm gonna take that to Style Encore. This is And the Y. That's just a boutique brand. I'm going to take that to Style Encore. It's probably a size large. These are Apartment 9 little Bermuda shorts. Taking them to the buy sell trade. Sneak Peek, again, a boutique brand, little cargo pants. These are all very trendy items, so to the buy sell trade it goes. Tech Gear, little activewear capris, go into the buy sell trade. I'm probably gonna take this stuff to the buy sell trade, and then at the end of the video I'll tell you how much I made from the buy sell trade. This is Avia, again, just a Walmart brand, size medium, because the majority of this haul is going to Style Encore. These are Aerosoft little shoes, and all of these shoes were also fill a bag for $5, so that was such a great deal. I'm probably gonna sell these myself because they are in pretty good condition, and those comfort shoe brands tend to go on eBay for a decent amount. These are Skechers, and believe it or not, Skechers have one of the best sell-through rates I have seen for shoes. Just like for a bread and butter brand, they have a great sell-through. So I'm assuming 15 on those. These were a great find. These are Olokai. These probably retailed for 60, 70 bucks. And I could probably get 25 plus shipping for those. This is also, oh, this is 9 West. They has the same waistband as the Apartment 9 ones, but just a pair of straight leg jeans going off to Style Encore. And this is a little Hasbro Softies. I think this is Lamb Chop. Yeah, Lamb Chop, from 1986. Super cute. I remember Lamb Chop from some point in my childhood. Not that I'm that old. I was born in 96. But I'm sure somebody around me was watching something like that. Another Apartment 9 pair of jeans. These are boot cut. My gosh, that sun is killing me. It feels so good to be filming again. Another pair of Apartment 9 skinny jeans with that same elastic waist. I am sure I'm going to have a very successful buy sell trade show. This one, so this is like a terry cloth little muumuu. These actually do extremely well on eBay. All the muumuus that I list go super, super, super fast. Like within a couple of days or a week. This is a size large. Only Necessities is the brand, and the brand really honestly doesn't matter with these because they sell super fast. Let's see. I also got a couple of Under Armour V-neck t-shirts. This is just a lime green. And this is a white one. I'm gonna lot these together probably. They're a women's size large, so those should go pretty fast. This is another vintage muumuu and Leslie Plus, and I probably should not have picked this up because it doesn't have a size in it, but I'll just measure it and guesstimate. It's like a fleecy one for winter. We are nearing the end, yay. I got these Skechers little sandals, and they are brand spanking new, so I might have to wait a little bit on those, but I'm sure those will sell for close to 25 to 30. This is a big vintage snowsuit. I can't get the whole thing in the picture, but it is Zero Zone insulated one-piece suits in a size large, yeah, or chest 42 to 44. These were going for like $40 to $50 plus shipping on eBay, and yeah, and it was in pretty good shape. I did find there's a couple of paint stains on the bottom, so maybe mine will go for 35, but I would definitely still pick that up. And now we are into the blankets. So I got this. This is a St. Nicholas square. This is actually sold at Kohl's, I found out, but some of these patterns can go for quite a bit. And I know this is Christmas and it might not sell this year, and I would probably have to store it till next year. But Christmas stuff sells all year round. And I did see comps. Just the quilt was going for like 80 to 100. And there were some shams, pillow shams, that were going for like 80 bucks plus shipping. I don't know if certain prints are more rare or anything like that, but I thought I definitely could not lose with that one. So it comes with 2 shams and the full/queen quilt. And I did not find any that looked like mine on eBay, so maybe mine's rare. I don't know. It might be the only one on there. And the last 2 blankets. This, okay, so I just watched Lori Tata's video where she sold blankets that looked exactly like this. One sold like instantly for $100. So I thought I would try these out. This was only $2, and I think this is one of those like things that you put on the end of your bed to like make it look pretty over the regular covers. So I'm not sure what that's called. I will have to look that up. But it's got this beautiful detail on the front. Beautiful, beautiful detail. And I don't know if this is handmade. I don't see a tag on it anywhere. So if you know anything about stuff like this, let me know what it's called. And I'm not sure how much I should list this for. It's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And then the very last item in this haul might be the very best item that I got. It's an actual full-size blanket with this beautiful detail on it. Oh, I just love it. Is this what, I mean, is this like a chenille blanket? Is this what you call a chenille blanket? It's definitely vintage. Oh my gosh, this is probably over $100 if it doesn't have any flaws. So I should probably look at that. But yes, it is a nice full-size blanket with all of this beautiful, beautiful detail. So that is my haul. Okay, so I figured I would show you my haul before I have to go get my children. But I was just flipping through the coats and I was like, oh my goodness. Burberry Brit at my buy-sell trade store. Now I live in Iowa, so they do get luxury stuff, but normally they put it like in the back behind the counter area. So like I was very surprised to find a Burberry Brit jacket just within the other jackets, but it's a women's large. It's got the really pretty plaid on the inside. It is navy blue. Nice little puffer. Looks to be in amazing condition. And yes, women's large. They had this priced at 80 bucks, which I thought was a steal. I was expecting it to be at least like 150, because normally their luxury stuff, they have priced pretty close to what you can find it on eBay. So yeah, very, very excited about this. I bought it just thinking that I could double my money, but I'm really thinking that I can price this at like $250, maybe $300, and take an offer and see how this does. I can't find this exact comp, but when I was comp searching, I was seeing some sold for $250, some sold for $350. I even saw some $500, but the $500 ones were the ones that are like what you would call like a teacher coat or a recess coat. They're a lot longer. This one is just a regular little short coat, but very, very, very excited about this find. Alrighty, so I did take my stuff to Style Encore. I did add a few more pieces to the mix, just so I'm being completely transparent. I didn't take just the tub of the jeans and things like that that I showed you. I took another tub as well, and they gave me $80.37. I am so excited. They pretty much took all of the stuff that I had showed you previously in the video, and they gave me probably like $3 a piece. I think they took 27 items and gave me $80.37. So I'm gonna put down here what that is average item cost. But I did pick that stuff up at the bag sale. It was fill a bag for $5 specifically to bring here and consign. So I would say that's a win. I spent $87 on the whole thing. And then as I was going through my death pile, I just gathered another tub of items too that I really wasn't interested in listing, and it worked out. So, and I got basically all of the stuff was from someone dropping their stuff off with me. They just wanted it gone. They were going to donate it anyway. So I basically got all that stuff for free. So I'm not really going to count it towards my cost of goods. But now with this haul, I am only $7 in. So I am actually like $6.70 something. So thank you guys for watching. If you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.